You better stop saying bad words. Okay? No. You better stop saying that F word. Hey. You gonna stop saying it?
No.
You don't say that anymore.
I do say it more.
No, you don't. Cameron, that's not very nice. Cameron. Cam, don't say that word anymore, okay? Sing me a new song without that word.
I love my mommy without the fucking word.
Don't say that F word.
I was just saying I
Can you say freaking?
I freaking don't say that F word.
Good job.
And I love my mommy with all my heart. In the snow, doing lots of days for Valentine's, Christmas, and every day. I love mommy. Do, 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 da, do, da.